Vena Training by Vistasparks Solutions. Master Modern Financial Planning and Analysis, FP&A, Budgeting, Forecasting, and Reporting with our comprehensive Vena Training program. Learn how to streamline financial processes, automate workflows, and improve decision-making using the powerful Vena Complete Planning platform integrated with Excel and enterprise systems. This hands-on training helps professionals and organizations simplify financial planning, improve collaboration, and gain real-time business insights through connected planning and analytics. Contact the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. Vena Training by Vistasparks Solutions is designed to help professionals master modern finance with cloud-based FP&A excellence. This comprehensive training program is delivered by our team of experts who have extensive experience in implementing Vena solutions. Through interactive sessions and hands-on exercises, participants will gain a deep understanding of how to leverage Vena's advanced features to streamline their financial planning and analysis processes. By the end of this training, participants will be equipped with the skills and knowledge necessary to effectively manage their organization's financial data and make informed decisions. The corporate training provided by Vistasparks Solutions helps finance professionals to develop skills that are essential for success in today's competitive market. The training focuses on using cutting-edge technology such as Vena to streamline processes, improve forecasting accuracy, and enhance decision-making. Participants learn how to use Vena to automate tasks, manage projects, and analyze data. They also gain knowledge about best practices for managing budgets, creating forecasts, and optimizing resource allocation. The training covers a range of topics, including financial planning, budgeting, and forecasting. By the end of the training, participants have gained practical skills and knowledge that enable them to implement these skills in their daily work. The training is highly effective because it provides a structured approach to learning, allowing participants to master Vena quickly and efficiently. The organization's current financial management system is outdated and inefficient. Manual spreadsheets and disconnected data silos hinder productivity and lead to errors. Errors can be costly and time-consuming to resolve, causing delays in reporting and analysis. The lack of unified data makes it difficult to make informed decisions in real time. As a result, the organization is often reactive rather than proactive. Vena offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline financial management processes. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for users to navigate and understand the software. Vena's automated workflows enable teams to focus on higher-level tasks, freeing up time for strategic planning and decision-making. By automating routine tasks, Vena reduces the risk of human error and minimizes the need for manual intervention. Additionally, Vena's advanced analytics capabilities provide insights into financial performance, allowing organizations to optimize their operations and improve overall efficiency. Furthermore, Vena's scalability ensures that it can adapt to growing business needs, making it an ideal choice for companies looking to expand their financial management capabilities. Corporate training elevates your organization by providing customized curricula aligned to your business goals and processes. Flexible delivery options include on-site, virtual, or blended learning experiences that empower your finance function across departments and geographies, enabling them to drive efficiency and make data-driven decisions. Leveraging technology, such as automation tools, enables your organization to accelerate growth and achieve financial performance at scale. The company has been working on developing its own solutions to address the growing demand for digital transformation in various industries. The company's focus on innovation and customer satisfaction has led to the development of several successful products and services. One of these products is the Vistasparks solution, which provides a comprehensive platform for digital transformation. The solution includes features such as data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. These features enable users to gain insights into their business operations and make informed decisions based on data-driven information. The solution also includes a range of tools and resources that facilitate collaboration and communication among team members. By providing a holistic approach to digital transformation, the Vistasparks solution helps businesses to improve their operational efficiency and reduce costs. Furthermore, the solution enables users to identify areas where they can improve their processes and implement changes to increase productivity and competitiveness. The solution is designed to meet the diverse needs of different industries and organizations, making it an ideal choice for companies looking to transform their operations digitally. The Vistasparks solution is offered through a variety of channels, including online platforms and partnerships with other companies. This makes it easily accessible to businesses of all sizes and types. The solution is also highly customizable, allowing users to tailor it to their specific needs and goals. By leveraging the power of digital transformation, the Vistasparks solution empowers businesses to achieve greater success and growth. The expert training provided by our organization is designed by experienced trainers who possess extensive knowledge in financial planning and analysis, FP&A. These trainers are skilled professionals who have worked extensively in the field of FP&A, providing them with the necessary expertise to create high-quality training programs. Our training program is structured into progressive modules that build upon each other, allowing learners to gain a comprehensive understanding of the system. Each module focuses on a specific aspect of the system, such as key concepts, features, and functionalities, which enables learners to develop the skills required to excel in their roles. The training covers all essential topics related to FP&A, including budgeting, forecasting, and financial modeling. Our trainers provide learners with hands-on experience, enabling them to apply their new skills in real-world scenarios. By the end of the training, learners will be equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to successfully implement the system in their organizations. Individual learners will gain several benefits from this training program. Firstly, they will boost their productivity by learning how to automate time-consuming tasks and streamline their workflow. Secondly, they will advance their careers by gaining specialized knowledge in financial planning and analysis. Additionally, they will develop deeper forecasting insights, enabling them to make more informed decisions. Furthermore, they will earn expertise that sets them apart from others in their field, allowing them to drive high-value strategic work. By acquiring these skills, individual learners will be able to build more accurate models and reclaim hours previously spent on mundane tasks, ultimately leading to more confident and data-driven decision-making. The company provides corporate training services to organizations seeking to improve their performance. The training programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization. The company has been providing corporate training services since 2005. The training programs are designed to drive efficiency across the organization by aligning employees with the company's processes, systems, and goals. The training is delivered through a variety of methods, including on-site, virtual, and blended learning. The training is customized to meet the specific needs of each organization. The organization has chosen Vena Corporate for its corporate advantages. The main reason is that it breaks down silos within the organization, allowing employees from different departments to collaborate effectively. This results in real-time insights into business operations, enabling organizations to make informed decisions faster. Additionally, Vena Corporate facilitates faster planning by providing a unified platform for all departments to access and share information. Furthermore, it enables instant unification of data across departments, thereby improving cross-departmental collaboration. Moreover, Vena Corporate helps achieve more accurate financial planning cycles in less time, which ultimately leads to better decision-making. The Vena Training Agenda is designed to help organizations achieve their goals through effective training. This module focuses on the overall structure and organization of the agenda, providing a clear framework for implementing it within your team. By working through this module, you'll gain a deeper understanding of how to tailor the agenda to meet the unique needs of your organization. The key takeaways from this module include identifying the core competencies required for each role, developing a comprehensive training plan, and establishing a system for tracking progress and measuring success. These skills will enable you to create a customized training program that addresses the specific needs of your employees, resulting in improved performance and increased productivity. The interface of Vena provides an intuitive and user-friendly experience for users. The platform is designed to accommodate various types of data sources, including financial statements, budgets, and forecasts. The interface allows users to easily navigate through different modules and functions, making it easy to find what they need quickly. The platform also includes a range of tools and features that support advanced analytics and reporting. These include data visualization, dashboard creation, and data mining. Additionally, the platform offers a flexible workflow management system that enables users to track progress and collaborate with others. The importance of corporate training cannot be overstated. Organizations must invest in this type of training to remain competitive in today's fast-paced business environment. Without it, they risk falling behind their competitors and struggling to adapt to changing market conditions. Corporate training helps companies to develop the skills and knowledge required to succeed in an increasingly complex world. It also enables them to identify areas where they can improve and make necessary adjustments to stay ahead of the curve. Moreover, effective corporate training can lead to significant cost savings by reducing waste and improving operational efficiency. Additionally, it can help organizations to build stronger relationships with customers and partners through improved communication and collaboration. Effective corporate training requires careful planning and execution to achieve its full potential. It involves creating customized curricula that meet the unique needs of each organization. This process requires a deep understanding of the organization's goals, values, and culture. Furthermore, it demands a commitment to ongoing evaluation and assessment to ensure that the training is meeting its intended objectives. Module focuses on transforming raw financial data into actionable intelligence through various techniques, such as variance analysis and data visualization. Learners will gain hands-on experience in building custom reports and designing interactive dashboards that provide a clear understanding of financial data. The goal is to extract valuable insights from financial information and make informed decisions. By the end of the module, learners will be able to create live dashboards that allow for real-time visualization of financial data. This enables learners to take control of their financial operations and drive business growth. The company has implemented a new workflow management system to improve its operational efficiency. The system allows employees to track tasks and collaborate with colleagues on projects. This has resulted in improved end-to-end accountability and enhanced productivity. The system also includes automated budget submissions, reviews, and sign-offs, which have reduced manual errors and increased accuracy. Additionally, the system provides role-based access control and collaboration tools, enabling seamless cross-functional teamwork and maintaining data integrity. These features have empowered professionals to work more efficiently, allowing them to focus on higher-level tasks. As a result, the company has seen an increase in employee engagement, reduced costs, and improved overall performance. The company's ability to adapt quickly to changing business needs has been significantly enhanced by this new system. The company's leadership team has recognized the importance of continuous learning and development, and has invested in corporate training programs to support this goal. The company's investment in corporate training has enabled it to stay competitive in the market and maintain its position as a leader in its industry. The company has been working on a new project, Advanced Vena Techniques, which integrates Vena with various ERP systems and CRM systems. The goal is to provide seamless data flow between these systems. To achieve this, automation and scenario modeling are used. Automation helps to reduce manual errors and increase efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. Scenario modeling creates predictive models that help organizations make informed decisions about their future plans. The company also provides best practices and case studies to its customers. These resources help customers learn from successful implementations and apply proven methodologies to their own environments. By doing so, customers can improve their overall performance and gain valuable insights into their business operations. The integration of Vena with other systems allows companies to streamline their workflows and improve their decision-making processes. This enables them to respond more effectively to changing market conditions and customer needs. In addition, the automation of repetitive tasks frees up staff time, allowing them to focus on higher-value tasks, such as strategy development and innovation. By providing advanced analytics and reporting tools, Vena helps companies to analyze their data and make data-driven decisions. This enables them to identify trends and patterns in their data and use this information to drive business growth and improvement. With the ability to integrate with multiple systems, Vena offers a comprehensive solution for businesses looking to optimize their operations and improve their bottom line. Vena Training offers a range of training programs designed for professionals who work with financial planning and analysis, FP&A software. These programs are delivered by experienced trainers who have extensive experience working with FP&A systems. The training covers topics such as budgeting, forecasting, and reporting, as well as advanced topics like data analytics and visualization. Participants will learn how to use the software to create budgets, forecasts, and reports, as well as how to analyze and visualize data. The training is designed to be hands-on and interactive, allowing participants to practice their skills and apply them to real-world scenarios. By the end of the program, participants will have gained the knowledge and skills needed to effectively manage financial planning and analysis tasks. Vena Training by Vistasparks Solutions provides a comprehensive framework for FP&A professionals to develop their skills and knowledge. The training program focuses on practical applications and real-world case studies to ensure that participants gain hands-on experience. Through interactive sessions and group discussions, participants learn how to analyze and interpret financial data, identify trends and patterns, and make informed decisions. The training also covers advanced topics such as forecasting, budgeting, and variance analysis. Participants can expect to gain a deeper understanding of financial modeling, data visualization, and reporting. By the end of the training, participants will be equipped with the skills and knowledge needed to drive data-driven decision-making and contribute to organizational growth. The company has been providing financial management services since its inception, offering a wide range of products and services that cater to various needs of clients. The company's mission is to provide high-quality service to all clients, ensuring their satisfaction and trust. The company has developed a comprehensive system for managing finances, which includes budgeting, forecasting, and cash flow management. This system allows clients to make informed decisions based on accurate data and timely information. The company also provides training and support to help clients improve their financial management skills. The company offers a variety of training programs designed specifically for finance professionals. These programs cover topics such as financial planning, accounting, and risk management. The training is delivered through a combination of classroom instruction and online learning modules. The company's trainers are experienced professionals who have extensive knowledge of financial management systems and techniques. They are able to provide expert guidance and support to help clients achieve their goals. The company's training solutions are designed to meet the specific needs of each client. Each program is tailored to address particular challenges and opportunities facing the client's organization. The training is flexible and can be adapted to fit the client's schedule and preferences. The company's trainers work closely with the client to ensure that the training meets their unique requirements. Vena is a leading provider of financial management software and services. Its solutions are used by thousands of organizations worldwide. Vena's software is known for its flexibility and scalability, making it an ideal choice for businesses of all sizes. The company's expertise in financial management software and services is unmatched, allowing it to offer customized solutions that meet the specific needs of each client. The company's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in its dedication to delivering high-quality training and support. The company's trainers are dedicated to helping clients achieve their goals and realize their full potential. The company's goal is to build long-term relationships with its clients based on trust, respect, and open communication.